At Olympia, we do everything we can to ensure your household goods are protected on their journey from your old home to your new. That includes expert packing, protecting your floors, doors, and walls, and careful loading and unloading. But on occasion, bumps and scrapes can happen along the way. That's why Olympia offers replacement value protection plans designed to give you peace of mind at every step of your relocation. When you book your move, your Olympia sales consultant will walk you through your replacement value protection options. In a nutshell, you'll pick your coverage amount based on how much your household goods are worth. On local moves, our policies range from $10,000 of coverage for small moves to $25,000 of coverage and up, depending on the amount of goods you're moving and the replacement cost of those items. That amount is up to you. You'll get a separate invoice for valuation once you've made your selection. On interstate moves, the valuation coverage is based on a release value of $6 per pound. So, a 10,000-pound shipment would have a default value of $60,000. But if you think your household goods are worth more than that, you can always buy more coverage. When selecting the amount of valuation coverage, think carefully about what it would cost to repair or replace your most expensive items. Let's say you choose a replacement value protection policy. If there's damage to your dining room table, Olympia's valuation policy will cover the cost of repairing the table, replacing it, or providing an appropriate cash settlement. No matter what, your move is covered by basic valuation coverage at no additional cost. However, this is not sufficient for most families. Here's how basic coverage works. In the same example, your 100-pound table is damaged during the move. With basic coverage, you would receive maximum compensation of $60. At Olympia, we'd rather see all of our customers purchase replacement value protection policies that ensure a smooth move from beginning to end, even in the unlikely event of damage to the items you're moving. Ask your Olympia sales consultant for more information about valuation coverage, or for a more detailed explanation, visit the Liability Plans and Claims page on olympiamoving.com and download our brochure in the valuation options and pricing area. We're looking forward to helping you take the next step in your life's journey.